Hello beautiful people, thank you for watching today's video. In today's video I'm going to be showing you how I style the clip-ins from Curlsqueen. Can you believe that there are micro lock clip-ins? I'm so excited about this. I think this will really help enhance your lock journey if you're in a micro lock journey. So in a little bit I'll be showing you the different styles. Be sure to check out the link below where you'll be able to access all the different hair options that are available to you. Thanks so much for watching. The packaging that this came with was so cute. Everything was so intentional, and I appreciate the additional items that were included in this particular package. There was a bonnet that I love. I've been using this bonnet. There was a brush and some extra clips for the clip, and then some instructions on how to maintain the hair and how to return the hair. As you can see, the hair comes in this bag. I got 5 wefts and they were just so beautiful. I was shocked at how similar they were to my hair, from the color to the size, perfect length, and also the texture matched my 4C hair. So here I'm going to show you what my hair looks like. This is my natural hair texture, just so you can see the length and kind of what the before is. I was really curious about how these would match before I put them in, but I was so shocked. Typically when I style my hair, I start off by spraying it. And if you know one thing about me, you know I'm going to put rose water in my hair. This just helps keep it hydrated. And for me personally, I feel like it keeps the hair from not looking stiff and sticking up. So I was showing you the wefts. There are 2 clips on each of them. At this point, I was just working on the parting. I chose to start off with a side part because I typically wear my hair in a side part. I love a voluminous look. So I clipped it into the side and it was super easy to put in. I think this will work great whether you have some new growth in your hair or whether your hair is freshly retwisted. The clips did not hurt to put into my hair. They fit right in, and I have Microlocs, but I feel like these would work well too with larger locks just because of the quality of the clips, and I could see these lasting a really long time just because I looked really close at how the clips were put into the weft of hair, and it was done very well. So I went about trying to figure out how I was going to lay the clips in. I really feel like any direction I would have put them would have worked fine. As I mentioned earlier, I love a voluminous look, so I was just kind of fitting it into where I felt like my hair needed additional volume. So these added some length, but really volume, which I love. I love big hair more than I love long hair. And that's part of the reason why I chose to get Microlocs, because I wanted my hair to look fuller, and I find that these just add that natural touch to your hair, especially if your hair is different lengths. If you followed along my journey, you know that that's something that I've struggled with, just getting that even length. So I found that this was perfect, and I love this. The install did not take long at all. This is something you can quickly do in the morning. And I truly believe the 5 wefts of hair were more than enough. I think if you went with more, you'd have definitely a thicker look, but I think this is perfect to keep just a natural look. Then I went ahead and styled my hair with pinning back one side. It's still with my side part that I absolutely love. I feel like my side part is engraved into my hair just because I wear it so much. But I went ahead and used a rubber band just to hold the side. But typically I would use a bobby pin. The reason why I'm not using bobby pins anymore is because I don't want to put or damage my locks. I want to keep them intact. And my loctician, and when I originally got my locks done, I saw them use rubber bands to style the hair, so I am going to do the same. Then I went ahead and put my hair in a low bun and was shocked that my hair could fit into a low bun. I think the clip-ins definitely add some length and enable me to put my hair in an actual bun. So that's another plus if you feel like your buns are on the small side or you would like some slight length just to be able to get it into a bun. I think this would be a perfect set for you. Then I wanted to try middle part. I've been wearing my hair in middle parts more often now than before, and middle parts for me typically really show the unevenness of my hair. If I could have things my way, I would have the front of my hair be the same length as the back. I'm not putting these clip-ins in the back of my hair at all, just because it's gonna make the hair longer. So right now I'm just focusing in the front, as you can see. So this is with one clip-in on each side, and as you can see, it still makes a difference too, at least with my hair, so I went ahead and added more. Now the texture of this hair is very similar to my hair texture. I would say they're closer to when my hair is going to be more mature in terms of the feel, but the look, it's perfect. The color is perfect. My hair, typically natural hair color, is a 1B, and these matched perfectly fine. I used to dye my hair jet black, and I'm glad that I don't do it anymore, because I feel like if my hair was jet black, these may have been apparent, but because they match my hair perfectly, they end up looking extremely natural. So I went ahead and I clipped these into my hair just like I did before, and then wanted to play around with the middle part. I decided this time around to add the last weft of hair to the back of my hair, just to add additional volume towards the back. And I also wanted you to see just kind of how it falls in with the rest of my hair, just so you can get an idea. Some people might want to wear the hair closer to the back of their hair. Everyone's hair is different, so this is what it looks like. I played with it just to kind of shape it to what I wanted it to look like, and as you can see, instant volume. And I love how the hair falls in a way that's not stiff. There's movement to my hair, so it really gives it that natural appearance. And here I am just tucking in some of my strands of hair just to make sure that I didn't have any pieces sticking up. Now it is a coily texture. I love that the curls were at the end because they really mimic my hair. And here we go. I patted it down. If I went for a looser look, my hair would be bigger, but just wanted to see how it would look like that way. Then next I'm trying out a different style where I'm having bangs in the front. I haven't been able to wear my bangs out as much just because the hair in the front of my head is shorter. So typically I refrain from doing it. I've done it a couple of times, but I found that my hair stuck up because it still didn't have the length. So as you can see here, I'm styling. I was really excited to wear my hair down. This is a style that I'll be wearing quite frequently because I will be transitioning into the postpartum shedding era. I'll be losing my edges, as you can see. I believe it's already starting to happen. It's just a part of life. So we'll go through this journey yet again. I feel like I was just recovering from my previous postpartum journey, but hair grows back, so it should be fine. So this is going to be a really nice look for me. I'll be utilizing a lot of bangs, and I love that these clip-ins allow me to do so. I kept it like a messy type look. I wanted it to look like I kind of just threw my hair up. And look at that bun. I love how thick the bun is. This is probably my favorite part of these clip-ins. And as you can see, I didn't spend much time with the parts or figuring out how I was going to lay it. I just kind of threw it up and it works. You don't see any clips up top. They're not uncomfortable. They don't hurt. They're not damaging the lock. You really want to make sure that as you're putting them to the base of your lock that you're also mindful and careful as well. But this is what it looks like. I did not hold my hair tight. I just kind of threw it up. So this is going to be one of my favorite ones, and I think it's going to be really fun just to play around with the bangs as I anticipate what my hair is going to look like. Then I thought why not try putting my hair in a bun? It's been a really long time since I put my hair in a bun. I was skeptical initially that my hair would fit, because my hair, natural hair, can't fit into a bun, but with the clip-ins, I'm able to get some additional length just to tuck in to give me that bun illusion. Again, some additional changes. I plan on starting to work out starting this upcoming year, so wearing my hair in buns is going to be really key. So I look forward to utilizing these in order to get my hair up in a way where I don't have to pull or damage my hair.